When you're stuck and every day feels the same, sometimes all you need is a small change. This is Capsule Solo, the world's fastest and smallest dishwasher. Capsule Solo fits large frying pans and washes in only 15 minutes. With Capsule, you'll experience a truly amazing feeling. The constant daily burden of dirty dishes is gone. And you'll have time and clarity to enjoy more every day of your life. When you feel good, you might decide to go out there and take on new adventures. Here's a little secret. Cooking is great, but enjoying it with others takes you to a whole new level. Capsule Solo will take care of the rest, so you can focus on the joy part. Because that's what life is all about. A surprise visit to dear Grandma, sharing an afternoon tea, sharing stories, sharing time together. It is within ourselves to find the joy and write new stories. All we need is a small change. Capsule Solo is our answer to your feedback, given over the last 3 years. It's our most affordable capsule yet, with the technology to make your life easier and more sustainable. Capsule Solo has saved over 100 million litres of water so far. Be part of our environmental journey. Help us bring Capsule Solo to life by supporting us on Kickstarter.